Technology begins with imagination. When imagination meets reality, when it meets different environments, and when it gives solutions in different situations, a new technology is born. This newborn technology gives safe and convenient lives to more people in the wider world. New technology, better tomorrows. A company specialized in aircraft, railway technology. Fine Precision Industry. Korean version helicopter, KUH, Surion. Fine Precision Ind technologies show their true abilities in KUH Surion helicopter parts. Especially wiper and washer systems showing the best performance even under the most severe environment proves the technical skills of Fine Precision Industry. Wiper Systems Converter is operational for 30 years without the need for grease refueling. And it went through the designing and durability testing, so it shows stable performance even at 3 million times repeated movements. Especially it shows the best performance even under the severe environment in Alaska, with the weather colder than 40 degrees and strong wind. Wiper is also stably even with the fast-flying speed and wide windows of the helicopters. Wiper system completed the performance analysis with 16 testings, so that it can be applied in various kinds of aircraft, including airliners and transport planes. Fine Precision Industries is also developing the manufacturing door-related parts for F-16 combat aircraft. Cargo ring with 5,000 pounds of vertical pull weight rating. With ECS Environmental Control System ventilation system part. Pneumatic muffler is a noise-reducing device used in the environment of a temperature of 170 degrees Celsius, reducing the noise level of 110 decibels to 90 decibels. Shut-off valve air allowing the pilot to control the warm air coming inside the cabin. Air outlet, a type of outlet louver vent air providing heating, air conditioning to the cockpit and cabin. Latches making 6,000 newtons after passing a durability test over 10,000 times. Supplementary heater used in vehicles for patients and passengers. Fine Precision Industries technologies show their true abilities in high-speed transit railway. Hatch module opening system that connects the high-speed railways. It maintains the steady position even at the 450 km/h or higher speed and allows safe and smooth opening of the door. Advanced technologies make tomorrow's better. Fine Precision Industry is already renowned for various products used up in the sky and on the land. The power of ideas becoming technologies and those technologies becoming products. That's what we, Fine Precision Ind, pursue and seek until today. And that will become the power of Fine Precision Industries to lead the world market. For the faster, more convenient, and more safe future, Fine Precision Industries is ready to run to you right now for our future and for you. Fine Precision Industries.